A reading from the Rule of St. Benedict, chapter 6, on silence. Let us do what the prophet says. I said, I will guard my ways so as not to sin with my tongue. I placed a guard at my mouth. I was speechless and humiliated, refraining even from good speech. Here the prophet shows that if we sometimes ought to refrain from speaking good words on account of the intrinsic value of silence, so much the more ought we to stop speaking evil words out of fear that it will be punished as sin. Therefore, due to the great importance of silence itself, perfect disciples should rarely be granted permission to speak even good, holy, and edifying words. For it is written, in much speaking you will not avoid sin, and elsewhere, death and life are in the hands of the tongue. It is the master's role to speak and teach. The disciple is to keep silent and listen. Therefore, if one must ask something from the superior, let it be done with great humility and reverent submission. As for crude jokes and idle talk aimed at arousing laughter, we put an absolute clamp on them in all places. We do not permit the disciple to so much as open his mouth for such talk. Here ends the reading from the Rule of St. Benedict, chapter 6, on silence.